Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today I want to talk to you about Mupirocin, an antibiotic that is used as a cream or ointment to treat skin infections such as impetigo, folliculitis, and boils. So what exactly is Mupirocin and what is it used for? Well, it's an antibiotic that is applied directly to the area of the skin with the infection to eliminate the bacteria that are causing it. It is very commonly used for impetigo, an infection that spreads easily, and also for other infections such as folliculitis, which is when the hair follicles where the hair grows become inflamed, or for boils, which are deeper infections of those same follicles. And how does it work? Mupirocin prevents bacteria from producing the proteins they need to live and multiply. Simply put, it eliminates them, and thus the skin can heal properly. Let's talk about how it is used. It is very important to follow the doctor's instructions to the letter. Generally, a small amount of Mupirocin is applied to the infected area 3 times a day. You have to use it for as long as your doctor tells you to, even if you feel better before finishing the treatment. As with any medication, there are some side effects that could appear, such as itching, burning, or redness where you applied the cream. If you notice anything more serious, such as swelling or difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. It is also important not to use the cream for a long time and avoid contact with your eyes, your mouth, or inside your nose. To sum it up, Mupirocin is a good option to treat certain skin infections as long as it is used properly. Don't forget to consult your doctor before starting any treatment. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.